Hello guys, welcome to today's analysis on render token. Render token is still trading on its support zone, its mini support zone which is established after it break a little bit above its resistance zone at point 3. Let me zoom out so you can see the big picture. When render token started a new rally from point 4, that was when it rallied up, it hit the point 3 which is its prior resistance, and it traded above it a little. So the breakout wasn't decisive. Some traders weren't taking position, but our position has started already earlier and we are in the trade. But it's now confirming that this resistance zone is holding our support, because after breaking it upward a little bit, it come down underneath, it come back to hit and is retesting it. And while it was retesting it, the activity of the price is changing. How? Is trading a little bit sideways and the volume is less, and it has now been showing about 3 bar rallying off the support zone. That sometimes when professional traders are initiating their position, they don't want it to be obvious, so they do it in a quiet pattern. Only traders who understand price action and the psychology of price movement will be able to interpret what is going on in that particular area, because sometimes if it is obvious, most traders will jump on board and they won't be able to log in all their trades or accumulate all the coin they want to accumulate at a lower price, because other traders jumping on board will have pushed the price higher and it will be a trade that won't give them much profit. So sometimes they like to hide what they are doing, but if you understand the psychology of price and how price activity works around support and resistance zone, you will be able to see whatever they are doing, because it's always obvious on the chart for a train high chart trader. Guys, I want you to subscribe to the channel if you really like the analysis, and if you are really gaining something from this analysis, try to do your part and subscribe, like the video, share, and if you have any opinion you can comment. Let me continue on what I'm explaining. So because of the way they hide their activity on the chart, if you're a trained chart trader, with your eyes you can spot what's going on. That's exactly what is happening here. Sometimes a resistance zone will be broken decisively and it will be obvious for most traders to take part, but this time it broke it gradually, grudgingly, and now it's retesting it. By the time it's retesting it and volume comes in, the price will now shoot up rapidly. Then most traders will have been left out. It's only professional traders and trained chart trader will be able to identify this type of activity, and that's the activity going on render token at the moment. It's retesting it and the bar are very tight trading, and why the volume was less is also an indication that any volume coming in now, the price will shoot up rapidly and it will be trading at a new high territory. Let me now zoom out so you can see the big picture of what has been happening, and then we can talk about our projection. You can see from market bottom, it has some beautiful volume and a rally up to point 1, which is about 453% increase. Sellers come in, push it downward to point 2. Look at the volume of the sellers from this particular bar. Yes, towards down to point 2. When you look at the volume, they are well above average, but this volume on the market bottom rally up to point 1, you can see they are well below average. So those are indication of how you connect volumes with price, which will help you on your analysis if possibly there is selling coming into the cryptocurrencies pair, or if there are buyers coming in. And from point 2, it has this rally. This rally has little volume, then it also corrected again. While it was correcting, the volume was drying up as well, which is an indication, or which is an alert to a trained chart trader, that whenever volume is drying up and we are in correction, the price is about to rally in the nearest future. And that's what happened when the price pick up from here. It has a volume above average volume, and that puts it upward to point 3. While at point 3 we have little correction again to point 4. Look at the volume from point 3 to point 4. it stays around the average, but when you look at the volume from this particular area 2.3, it's above average. So it's telling us that sellers are drying up and bulls are coming back on the table. While the price was ranging on this area, the volume dried up to the lowest, then volume pick up again when the buyers get on board. The same scenario is replaying itself now. Volume is drying up now, and when volume pick up, buyers will get on board and render token will continue its rally. This is the ideology of understanding price movement in relationship with volume and identifying price reaction in support and resistance zone. Let me zoom out now, so I'll go to the target profit. Let me zoom. Okay, yes, look at the big picture. It's showing an upward trend and it's progressing, and from point 3 onward we'll expect render token to continue its rally up to around 14.3, which is our target point. The target point is not a rocket science. We calculated the price from the last successful upward rally, which took from market rally started to point 1. That's about 453% increase. The same level was projected, which falls around 14.300. If this analysis really help you, I appreciate your subscription to the channel, which will encourage me to post more analysis on your favorite cryptocurrencies. Like the video, share, and come back for more analysis on market analysis channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.